Okay, I hope that disclaimer was clear enough. This is my hair at 2 months post relaxer. It has been the longest 2 months of my entire hair journey. I've waited 2 months to be able to do this process. I am going to be using petroleum jelly Vaseline mixed with this fake coconut oil. This is the only time I ever use this because there's nothing coconut about it. I had a good amount of both products mixed together because I figured it's much easier to spread onto the hair once it's mixed together. Next thing I did is have a spray bottle, just water in it, spraying that on my hair, squeezing it in. I did not want my hair to be wet, like dripping wet. I just want it damp. This way, reveal the difference between my under-processed hair and where my relaxed ends start. I did comb it through, not from the root though, not from the root, just kind of midway, as you can see me doing, just to help that water to spread. The reason I'm doing this is, one, it will help the relaxed hair, the relaxer run off when I'm rinsing this out, and two, when I'm applying the relaxer on, if I mistakenly apply relaxer onto my already relaxed hair, it shouldn't penetrate. All right, I hope that is that was clear. I hope I have made that clear. So this is the reason why I am doing this. As far as baby powder is concerned, like I do, I've applied that to my scalp as a precaution to prevent my scalp from burning the night before. So as you can see clearly, you can see where my hair, the under-processed hair, reach and where my relaxed hair start. That is the whole point of applying this on, or that is the whole point of me spraying the water on the hair before I start this process. So I hope you guys never have to need this process, but if you do, sit tight because things are just about to get a little bit rough. So I repeat this process all through the entire 4 sessions and combing it through as you see me doing. Once I was done applying the water, the Vaseline mixed with the fake coconut, I did allow my hair to dry. When I say my hair to dry, I'm referring to, when I was spraying the water on, there is good chance water would have gone onto where I did not want it to go, which is the hair I need to apply relaxer on, the under-processed hair, of course. So I waited an hour to an hour and a half, just roughly. I hoovered the entire upstairs and tidied them all up. That is how long it took me, an hour and a half, give or take. As you can see, all the Vaseline and the petroleum jelly that mixed together is all applied all to the 4 sessions. And I don't do fake smile. Right now, that is a fake smile. In there, I am dying, nervous as hell. I mean, for any naminopaths want to come here to tell me I shouldn't be doing this, don't bother, because I'm well aware of it. All right, this is the relaxer that has been causing me trouble. I finally found her. What do I know? Over the years, I take my relaxed hair for granted because everything always goes smoothly. So when I finish doing my relaxer, I will be applying protein treatment on, and I'm using that hair mayonnaise. Like I said before, I did wait a good an hour or an hour and a half to allow any water that might have gone onto the under-processed hair to dry out. So coming back now, it's all dry. So I parted out the kind of front of my hair edges, if that's what you want to call it. Normally they are fragile, so never mind when I'm only 2 months post. So the focus attention is really making sure my new growth is relaxed. It's just making sure I correct the under processed hair and make this error right. So that is where I'm focusing the attention on today. is all applied on. I did not smooth it. For once in my life, I've been a waster. In the duration I was applying the relaxer on, water was already running. So in other words, I applied this in and it went straight to wash it out. There was no, it's not like I'm applying relaxer on for the first time. It's a corrective relaxer. So I applied it in, went straight to rinse it out. So you're gonna see in a minute the difference between my hair now and 2 months ago when I did the disaster.
Ahora sí que sí para. Toda la nieve. Yes.
So I'm gonna go in now to neutralize with Mega Growth Neutralizing shampoo, as well as one and only moisture retention shampoo. It's time to compensate. Like I do, I applied that on. I did 4 wash of the neutralizing shampoo. The 5th one, I left it on for 5 minutes as I usually do. So I'm just gonna proceed to rinse everything out. Pleased with myself and I. So I'm just gonna go in and apply a little bit of conditioner, that heavy conditioner, all the way to my hair. Please don't ask me why I'm applying it to the root. You just see me put my hair through hair, so it's the least I can do. All right, so I apply that all over my hair, from the scalp everywhere, and comb it through. Then I'm gonna rinse this out. So why on this note, I just want to put out there for any Naminopas want to come here to quote me or lecture me about how this process, I shouldn't have done this, is damaging, blah 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 blah. Don't bother. Like I said before, I don't know if I said this before. Please don't bother giving me a hard time in the comment section. I'm aware of this process that I've just done, and this is my hair, and I'm gonna take this decision as I see fit. Yeah, all right. This is why I love this relaxer. When I keep messaging people about it, raving about it, even though my hair is relaxed, you can see it has corrected the error that needed correcting clearly. But yet, if you guys seeing what I'm seeing, my hair is not fried. I am absolutely, what can I even describe how I'm feeling? Loving it, loving it. I'm so pleased with myself. So relieved. I think the game is on, guy. We are back on track. Officially, my hair journey is back on track. My hair is now, the error that was there has now been pulled right, but yet my hair is not fried. Give it up for this relaxer, guys. Just give it up, will you? I'm so relieved, like relieved. Over the years, my hair routine goes smoothly. I completely take it for granted. I will never do that again. You know, I will never do that again. Again, look at the before. 2 months. This is obviously that same clip from 2 months ago. And now you can see the error has been put right. What cannot explain how relieved I am feeling right now. Very pleased with myself. So I went in and applied a little Flexi Rod to it because that's my preferred style. Thank you all so much for sticking by this channel through the ups and downs. I hope you guys would never have to need this process, but if you do, refer to this video. I'm hoping this was helpful to somebody. Thank you all so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.
That's just like you.